Hello students, today my topic is intermediate second year 2B Maths, chapter 6 integration, 4 marks and 7 marks important questions. Now here we have type 3. The type 3 form is integral under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So based on this form I have taken one problem. Question number 3, integral under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square into dx. So let us solve this problem. Solution: given integral under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square dx. So first write the equation in the order form. So what can we write now? Integral under root of, write the first x square term, means what? This term, minus 3x square. After this write x term. X term is what? Plus 8x. Plus 8x. Then write constant value, that is also plus 3 dx. And the next integral under root of, so I told you already what is there, the coefficient of the x square. So that coefficient take as common. So if there is no any coefficient is there, not need to take common. So now from this whole equation we want to take minus 3 as common. Then what is left? X square is left. Thus minus into minus is plus. In 8 3 is not there. Then we can write that is 8 by 3. If there is no that number, then we can write by and that number. So 3 is not present in 8. So from 8 we can't take 3 as common. That's what I wrote, by 3, and write x as it is. And minus into minus is what? Plus 1 dx. Yes. Now write is equals to integral under root of minus 3 into, write this first x square term as it is, and minus, now this 8 by 3x split as 2ab. So write 2 as it is. A is what? X, and write here b. So b is what? We can write 4 by 3. B as 4 by 3. If we simplify it, 2 4s are 8 by 3x. Now here we got b as what? 4 by 3. Then for b square we can write now 4 by 3 whole square. To balance this term, we write minus 4 by 3 whole square. And the last term write minus 1 dx. Next is equals to integral under root of minus 3 into, from here to here, we can write it is as a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? A minus b whole square. A is x, minus b is what? 4 by 3 whole square. Next minus this 4 by 3 whole square is there. Then we can separate the square to numerator and denominator. Yes. Here write minus as it is, and the square is separate to numerator and denominator. The numerator 4 is there. 4 square is what? 16. When denominator 3 is there, 3 square is 9. Then after this minus 1 dx. And next write is equals to integral under root of, write minus 3 as it is, minus 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square. From these two terms minus is there, so take minus common. Then 16 by 9, minus into plus is minus, write 1 into dx is equals to integral under root of minus 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus, and simplify this bracket term. We can write by 1 and do LCM. We get 9 as a LCM. In 9 table 9 goes one time. 1 16s are 16 plus in 1 table 9 goes 9 times. 9 ones are 9. And close the bracket. Dx is equals to integral under root of minus 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16 plus 9. You add them, 25 by 9 dx. And next is equals to integral under root of minus 3 into, write this term as it is, x minus 4 by 3 whole square. This has a whole square, that's why. So I want to write this is also somewhat whole square. So for that, what can we write now? This is 5 by, and 9 has 3. 5 by 3 whole square. Here 5 square is a 25 and 3 square is a 9. Now we got it is as somewhat formula under root of x square minus a square. Now that is equals to integral under root of, I am sending this minus inside the bracket, then it will be reverse. This 5 by 3 whole square will come first, and minus this x minus 4 by 3 whole square will come next, and 3 is there as it is, just we are sending only minus symbol, so 3 is there as it is. Dx is equals to integral, now I separate this 3 with root, then it is what, root 3 into under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square dx. Now we can take this root 3 outside the integral, so is equals to root 3 into integral under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square dx. Yes students, now here I wrote the formula. So already we taken root 3 is outside, then integral under root of a square minus x square dx. So integral under root of a square minus x square dx formula is x square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus constant. So in place of a we are going to substitute 5 by 3. In place of x we are going to substitute x minus 4 by 3. See, I am writing this root 3 as it is. So into a square by 2. A square is what? 5 by 3. A square by 2. Sine inverse x by a. X is x minus 4 by 3 by a. A is 5 by 3. This is what? X by a. And next plus x by 2. So what is x? X is this one. X minus 4 by 3 by 2 and under root of a square is what? 5 by 3 whole square minus x square is x minus 4 by 3 whole square. X minus 5 by 3 whole square. And next write the is equals to root 3 as it is into 5 square is a 25 by 3 square is 9 by 2, and write sine inverse, do your LCM, 3 into x 3x, 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 by 3 and by 5 by 3 plus 3 into x 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 by 3 and by 2 root under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square. That is right as it is. Yes, now I copied the last step in the top of the board, and is equals to write the root 3 as it is, and the numerator fraction write as it is 25 by 9, and make the denominator is also fraction form, that is 2 by 1. Now write that is reciprocal 2 by 1 as 1 by 2, and here 3 gets cancelled, and write sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus, here the numerator fraction is what, 3x minus 4 by 3, by it is 3, and the denominator is also make into fraction form, that is 2 by 1, and this 2 by 1 we can write it now into 1 by 2, 2 by 1 as 1 by 2, and under root of, the same thing we have to write here, under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square. And what we will get next is equals to root 3 into 25 ones are 25 by 9 twos are 18, and the sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus, and numerator into numerator, 3x minus 4 into 1 is what, 3x minus 4 by 3 twos are 6, and under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square. And next I am going to take this root 3 inside the bracket. So root 3 is multiply with this term, and again the root 3 is multiplying with the second term also. Go. Now I am going to multiple root 3 with bracket terms. See, is equals to, so root 3 is multiplying with first term of the bracket term is 25 root 3 by 18 sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 and plus 3x minus 4 by 6 root 3 into under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square plus constant. Then is equals to 25 root 3 by 18 sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus 3x minus 4 by 6 into, if we multiple root 3 with under root of 5 by 3 whole square minus 4 x minus 4 by 3 whole square, we get the quotient equation. What is the quotient equation? Under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square, because from this only we are getting root 3 as common. Root 3 we are taken common and out, that's why only we are getting inside the bracket value is a 5 by 3 whole square minus 4 minus x by 3 whole square. While we are sending root 3 inside the root value, then we get what? Under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus constant. So we can stop the question here only. We can conclude the answer of this question is what? 25 root 3 by 18 sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus 3x minus 4 by 6 under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus constant. And if you want to textbook answer, so you need to multiple here root 3 by root 3. So that is what, see, 25 root 3 by 8 into root 3 by root 3. And at the remaining as it is, sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus 3x minus 4 by 6 under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus constant. Yes. 25 into 3 by 18. In the last step, I wrote in place of 18 is a 8. So please, that is correct as a 18. 18 root 3. Now we can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are what? 18. Now we can write the rest of values. 25 ones are 25 by 6 root 3 sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus 3x minus 4 by 6 under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus constant. So this is the final answer. Therefore, we conclude integral under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square into dx is equals to, what is the answer now? 25 by 6 root 3 sine inverse 3x minus 4 by 5 plus this one 3x minus 4 by 6 under root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus constant. This is the final answer.